little artists. Are you ready for a fun and easy flower drawing? Grab your black marker and let's get started.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a circle in the middle. This will be the flower's center. Now, around the circle, let's draw 9 small petals. They look like little ovals. Great job! Now, behind the small petals, let's draw 6 big petals to make the flower look full and beautiful. Finally, let's draw 6 leaves behind all the petals. Leaves make the flower even prettier.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our flower pop. Wow, it's looking awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Coloring time! Now, it's time to add some beautiful colors. Let's pick our color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Wow! Our flower looks so bright and colorful. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing and have fun drawing. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.